Why should you do business with Rollo Insurance in Bertram, Texas? Well, number one, we are local. And so you're going to get the local expertise of working with an agent that's from the area. My family and my wife's family have been in the area for a very long time. So we understand the needs of our residents, of our community members. Of course, we've owned an agency for 3 years now and have been doing property and casualty, which is like your home and auto, for 5 years, and health and life for even about a decade. So we're local. We know what the needs are, and we now, through the merging with Rollo Insurance Group, have plenty of carriers to use to fit your needs. And plus, doing local business with a local person means you always have somebody a phone call away. We have a brick and mortar office here in Bertram. And of course, you're going to see us around town, like many of you that follow my page know that we do volunteer quite a bit. Customer satisfaction is a big one, right? We're a small community. We're a local business. And if you go to Google, and this actually could help us a lot, you can go to Google Rollo Insurance Bertram and go to our Google review section and give us a 5-star review. So our customers are satisfied because we work hard. Knowing that you're our community member means that we want to treat you fairly, and we want to do the best we can to try to serve your needs and best cover your property. Trust and reliability, I feel like very similar to customer satisfaction, but trust and reliability, we give a lot to our community. We volunteer quite a bit, and we understand that, without trust, that would be a difficult business relationship to have. And so just like customer satisfaction, trust and reliability is a big pillar of ours. Personalized attention. So before I write a policy and bind it, me or one of my agents will be at your ranch, your farm, your business, and taking pictures and looking at the different risks. That way we can be more of an educator and less of like a salesperson, because we want you to know and be educated on all the different endorsements and different options that you have. Also, we're one of the only true one-stop shops when it comes to insurance. So we do the property and casualty, which is your home and auto, but we do commercial insurance. I think I mentioned before, on the personal side, we represent over 25 different carriers. And so we know all the little niches. As our community is growing, we're getting more of the, subdivisions. We have markets for that. We have the farm and ranch. We have agribusiness, all the contractors. Rollo Insurance has over 60 locations and a very large book of business. They're in 4 different states. And I can write business now in half the states in the United States of America. But we're here. You don't have to call a call center. You don't have to do all your communication through a chat bot. You can walk into our office, you can talk to us, and you're going to mean a lot to us. So again, the Rollo Insurance, big company, still independent, from Texas. They did not grow how they've grown because they didn't stay with the times. They've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars developing software, and I'm always pushing the envelope on how to run an agency and all the different programs in the back end. So that just helps us serve you, and it's an investment that's a long-term investment, and it's going to make your experience great and just help us serve you. So the proven track record. I feel like I'm kind of repeating myself quite a bit, but Rollo did not grow because they didn't have local expertise, or they didn't care about customer satisfaction, or they weren't trustworthy, or no, they took care of all those main pillars of what it takes to be a good business partner and to be a good business in general. And so that's why you should do business here with us. If you don't already have a relationship with an agent, we would love to serve you. We'd love the opportunity. We do the home and auto. As I mentioned, we do the commercial, workman's comp, business owner's policy. We can do group health. I can do health insurance. I can do life insurance. So we truly are a one-stop shop with insurance, and we would love to have the opportunity to serve you, and thank you for your time.